All right, here's where I'm at. I just removed my clutch pressure plate and clutch. I got to figure out what's going on with this tractor, man. My throwout bearing. What's going on is I'm walking over here to it. I just split the cases. What's going on? My throwout bearing right there. It won't slide back and forth properly on that shaft. So I replaced that clutch spring. But something's weird going on. I adjusted the clutch out down there. Right there. And it still ain't doing nothing, man, but it won't slide back properly. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this thing on. I'm not gonna take it off. I marked it right here so I can put it back in the proper spot. But I'm gonna order another clutch, and gotta see why that thing right there ain't sliding back and forth properly. You know, it's like stopping. Something's going on with the smoothness of that that shaft going back and forth. On that input shaft right there. So I replaced that clutch spring with a brand new John Deere clutch spring, and it won't pull it back. So something's keeping it from, I think that shaft, something's going on, it's out of round. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna get some Scotch-Brite, and I'm gonna try to smooth that thing out so it'll slide simpler or easier back and forth before I put this thing back together. So yeah, I got it all makeshift right now. I got my jack under that part right there, and I got my cherry picker under this part right here, just holding it up. And I put some tape on my hydraulic lines, so no water, if it rains, it won't go inside of it. But like I say, this thing looks fairly good, man. I don't see no wear, and this is smooth, ain't no grooves in it. So I might just replace this this pallet bushing right here. I don't know if I can replace that without removing those have to retorque those bolts back down. No, that thing ain't coming out without disturbing those things. But I'll measure that and see what I'm gonna mic it with my dial caliper and see what the tolerance is, the ID and the OD of that input shaft right there. Where that right there, the end of that input shaft goes into there, and I'm gonna see what the deal is, man, because once I put it together, I really don't know what the play is, but it did have a lot of brass, bushing material, like all in there, like something's loose. So I don't know what's going on with it, but I'm gonna stay on it, man. It was a task splitting this half again, but I was able to spread the dirt with the thing. You know, this thing is a workhorse, man. I just got clutch issues right now. So we're gonna get it sorted out. It runs fine, but like I said, you got the engine, the transmission, and the rear end, and then you got the rock shaft lift mechanism back there, and all of it's got to work. But like I say, man, it's old stuff. Just keep it maintained and keep it working. Everything will be all right. Like I say, that's it right there, just hanging right now. But it ain't gonna fall. I got something braced up underneath the back of it right there. So I'm gonna leave it alone right here, man, until I'm gonna decide if I just get a whole new brand new clutch pack and put it in the thing. Because when I put this thing back together, I don't want it to be a clutch problem, you know. So appreciate y'all watching, like and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Thanks for viewing.